In the harsh industrial environments, we will always have contamination of the scale. So we will have material in the pit of the scale. Not even in the fresh food segment, also in chemical or pharmaceutical plants, but even as well as in logistics. So hygienic design is becoming more and more important. Cleaning is not always done with jet water. Often it's the case that high pressure and higher temperatures are used. The F3000 has a better accessibility and therefore a much better cleaning result. The cables are mounted in the profiles. And the cable bushings are watertight. That's why we have a much better protection and damage will be minimized. The open design of the F3000 supports not only a professional cleaning, it's a big advantage in service. If you want to replace, for example, a load cell, that would be much easier and faster. Our industrial scale provides you a lot of benefits beyond cleaning. Get in contact with our Bizerba expert to get more information about these benefits.